I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, I see my thick thighs lost when you look into my. Don't care what you say to me.
Hello guys, your favorite girl on gate man duties. Gate woman duties. So I'm waiting for my auntie at the gate to already open the gate. I called her, she's coming by. So I had a gen guy come over to try to like fix the gen rope that caught. So he just left for quite long, and I'm out here waiting for my auntie to come so I can just shut the door all at once, because I'm not about to like go up, come down again. That's what I'm doing, guys. And I have something to show you guys, but that will be later. I've just been so lazy since Monday. I was supposed to show you guys since on Monday, and today's Wednesday, but probably tomorrow I'll do that. I've not picked up my camera since only God knows when. I think that was last week I picked up my camera. I've just been editing old videos that I have on my phone. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys whenever I have the time. Yeah, she's here. Bye guys. Hear that loud soul? That's my. So you finally came back home. I hope I don't get copyrighted. While you walked away, I got zoomed into this stuff. There's no music to be jamming to. I don't know if you guys can hear me and the song playing. Is it so? The broad lights. Guys, I'm at the studio today. I came to do piercings for a client, nose piercings, and I've been here. See my auntie. I wasn't able to do it. She went inside. She looked at me and just went inside. So I'm here chilling. Let me talk to you guys for a bit. I've missed talking on this channel, guys. It's been forever. I've been in this car chilling since, because there's no light. There's not been light since, but now they just brought the light. Oh, it's too bright, and now it's too dark. So we'll just make do with the brightness, I swear. So as I was saying, guys, I came to the studio today, free internet, book a workspace, free meal. Are you for real? I didn't know about this. I didn't know like the shop close to my place, the store close to my place has like a free workstation. They said, no, sorry, it's not a free workstation. They say book a workstation, free internet access, free meal, Universal Sport Lounge. They say first call workstation where everyone achieves. See what I'm saying, guys? Free first. I don't know why I keep saying free. This first call workstation where everyone achieves more virtual office space, meeting, training, real estate, property investment, property development, building and construction, interior decor, Universal Sports Lounge. This is really cool. I could always come in here when I'm like looking for a workspace, when I want to like just leave from the house. I didn't know this place existed actually, and it's very close to my studio. Just imagine, this is where my studios are. These are my studios are. This is where this is at. This is my studio. This is where it's at. I swear that I have never noticed that this place existed. But it's alright. It's alright. And there's even a new like fun place that opened at the next place. Oh god, my phone is ringing right now. later on, but let me finish talking. I miss you guys though. What's been up, guys? What's been up? What's been popping? What's new? Let's just tell me what's been up with you in the comment section. Mommy, I've just been here. I left from the house. I was feeling really sick and down today, so I decided to leave the house today to just come to my studio. And funny enough, I had like a client coming over. That's God's work actually. Leave from your comfort zone. They'll tell you leave from your comfort zone, you will not hear. Now you see. Anyway, I don't know, I don't have much to say, but I have something. I've been saying that I was going to show you guys like what I bought, like my new Prada slice that I got, my new perfume. I bought it together, perfume Moussouf. I think that's the right pronunciation, Moussouf. I don't know, but yeah, guys, I have Moussouf. I got Moussouf perfume. I've been wanting to get it for the longest time, and I got it, and I used it today, and I smell amazing. Trust me, guys, I smell amazing. What else? I have a lot. Like most times when I pick up this camera to like make a video, I keep forgetting all I have to say, but it is what it is, guys.
Presidential rolling, RM, way. Time is okay. ATL checker. Pray for my demons, girl, I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere.
Hi guys, what's good? What's good? I've missed my microphone, I swear down, I've missed my microphone. Anyways, guys, I decided to like pop in here and just say some things. I've been working on my Facebook. I'm trying to like reduce the brightness because this thing is way too bright for me right now. So I've been trying to work on like setting up my Facebook business page and all of that. Switching my business page from a postpaid to like a prepaid account, so that I'll be able to like still pay in Naira for my ads. And it died actually. Oh god. I'm still trying to work on this stuff. Like, I didn't go through yet. This laptop is so annoying. The laptop is so freaking annoying. But see, like the cursor isn't even moving. I don't know if that's anything. The cursor isn't even moving. It's crazy, man. Come on. But that's what I'm trying to work on for now, Jerry. I'm just trying to set it up with this laptop because it's not working on my phone. Easy. Oh. Yeah, I think it started working. I really don't know. So guys, from the video that I saw that I was supposed to change this oh god, that is in focus. I was supposed to change from debits or credit card to Naira, pay you something Naira. I'm not seeing that, but I'm going to still have to click on this online banking because I'm just not going to click on this debit card ish and all of that. I'm going to do this one instead and see how it goes. If there's another issue, I'll still change it on later on. So I'm still having issues. I clicked on next. After clicking on that, it's saying sorry, you couldn't complete your request, please try again later. I really don't know what's up. I really don't know what's up. I had to start all over again, and it's not bringing out the second option, it's just bringing out this debit or credit card stuff. I'm going to have to reload this. I'm going to have to reload this to see. So I have to put in this stuff again. I don't know, I'm having difficulties. Okay, now it brought it out, but I have to change this from US dollar down to Naira. Yeah, Naira. Once I click on Naira, that stuff doesn't, like, it just goes away. I don't know why. Guys, so I found another way. I had to go to payment settings to bring up my payment method. So I use my payment method to bring up this option. This is the pay you option that I was looking for. You need to get this pay you method. I think I should do a tutorial on how to set this. You need to get this pay you settings. So that is what I've been looking for. Now I'm here, so let me keep trying to work on it. Hi guys. Oh, this brightness reduced. Hi guys, good evening. This is actually 11:35 a.m. Oh sorry, that's the a.m. This is actually 11:35 p.m. on today's the 21st of March and it's a Tuesday. I'm out here trying to like script content. I always like script, love to do like script my content on this book, this journal. I don't know, I can't sleep, so I'm out here just trying to like script. I've been editing, I've made like reels, like I've edited reels. I have videos sitting in my gallery that needed to be edited, and I'm glad I was able to like do some. I'm trying to like script for a voiceover, and it's raining and the fan is on. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me, but that's what's up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah,
I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career to take my time away from.
anyways guys, so I wanted to tell you guys how I've been craving since yesterday. I've been craving a lot of things. I've been craving a lot, but as you all know, the economy of this country is not going to let you enjoy life. But regardless, I must always enjoy life. So now I'm going to go and get bread. I always get stuff from Mega Chicken, but they said there's no dispatch available, so I don't want to. I'm still learning to like talk on the road, like with people like watching me, and also their cars like passing, and I'm still shy about that. Anyways, I'm going to get bread, eggs, I have sausages, and yeah, I'll see you guys at home. Yeah, I'm going back up my script.
O-U-S, we flying first class, up in the sky, champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I want to try,
guys, I be out here sweating like a Christmas goat just because I climbed down the stairs and I'm trekking. It's funny how I just tend to sweat so easily and a lot. Guys, what can be the cure to this? Because I hate sweating. I be sweating on my lap, my thighs, in between my thighs, then my armpits. Ew. Like you see that one where you dress really cute, you dress up and you're having these sweat stamps. Really be ghetto.
I am saying I
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my yard uninvited. When you see me.
So guys, I have my sausages, just 3 sausages, then eggs fried.
Why would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, babe. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me when you come, I come. But then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise, the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Crying out from the side now.